Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 9.5.0 on Rocky Linux 10.1. Either it may be 10 or later versions of Rocky Linux 10. Okay, so first open the default web browser that comes with Rocky Linux, that is Firefox. Now go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads, click on it. Then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 9.5.0. then select the operating system. See here don't have the Rocky Linux, but select Red Hat Enterprise Linux, then select the version 10. See here we have the Red Hat or Rocky Linux 10 x86 64-bit. Select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded, but instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 924 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 9.5. okay, this will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 9.5 tar file. We have to enter it, tar hyphen except, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. See, extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Control A, sudo rpm hyphen ivh hyphen no deps, then star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 9.5.0. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status control L status MySQL D. If you don't give D, it won't work. So we have to give MySQL D. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is installed and its service is enabled and it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. See, MySQL service is started 7 seconds ago. See here it is active and running. Okay, quit control A. Now we will connect to MySQL Server, but to connect to MySQL Server we must have the password of the MySQL user account. Either it may be user or root account. So we don't have any MySQL user account, but we can get the MySQL temporary root account password by going to sudo more /etc /var log mysql d dot log, then grep, then password. Hit enter. See here a temporary password is generated for root account. See, this is temporary password. This is not same for you. Okay, now set the permanent password. Sudo mysql underscore secure underscore installation. Now copy this temporary password, paste it, hit enter. Now set the permanent password, confirm the same. I don't want to change again. Remove anonymous users, yes. No. Remove test database, yes. Reload privileges, yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for MySQL root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL hyphen u, username is root hyphen p, then provide the password of the root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 9.5.0. You can also get the MySQL Server version by running the command select. See, we got the same. Okay, control it. Now verify list of databases, show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created new database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. See here, bank is the database. Hit enter. See database change. Now verify list of tables in this database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. So create table. See, we have created table customer in database bank. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now create user. Before that, verify list of users. So users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Here caps David at 123 is the password. Hit enter. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL -u. New username is David -p. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 9.5 on Racky Linux 10.1, but the process is same on all Racky Linux versions. Okay, sudo systemctl control ctl stop MySQL d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. See here. Okay, go to quit. We can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started 2 seconds ago. Go to quit. Control L. Now we will restart MySQL server. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is restarted 1 second ago. Go to quit. Control L. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBA on Racky Linux. Okay, so ls, these files are not recorded anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server 9.5. so remove them to clear the space. Rm start.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. Ls, we have one more file, remove it. Rm MySQL, then press the tab to autofill, enter tar file name, hit enter. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL server 9.5.0 on Racky Linux 10.1. As I told you, the process is same on all Racky Linux 10 versions. Either it may be 10 or 10.1 or later versions. Okay, for more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.